Kuala, and today I want to share something that really resonated with me, a TEDx talk video called How to Talk to a Worst Parts of Yourself by Karen Faye. And it is that rare kind of talk that doesn't just make you think, it makes you feel seen. So, welcome to the internet itself. First of all, Karen starts by sharing that she learned empathy from the most unlikely space, moderating widely unpredictable focus groups. She spends years of welcoming all kinds of personalities, the, the shy, the loud, the agreeable, the spectacle, and she realized that the same openness could work internally. They turned her complex inner life into a kind of moderated conversation. And that's how she learned to engage her inner struggles with kindness. So she talks about the knowing many me's inside her head, the analytical self that uh, she shy self, the frightened self, even the creative self. These parts often argue, clash, and confuse us. But acknowledging all of them, not just the calm or productive ones, it is a first step toward the self-understanding. And another powerful thread of Karen's message is that unconditional welcome. That she shares the story about a difficult research subject, someone she instantly disliked but was required to study deeply. And so he imagined wrapping both of them in a bubble of acceptance, not as judgment, as toleration, but full unconditional welcome. At that moment, her compassion opened a bridge to the connection and understanding. So Karen recalls wrestling with her inner voice, the one step in the pale, pain, self-criticism, and or despair. So she finally said aloud, "Thank you for sharing. I listened to you, but I won't obey you." And in the moment, the angry voice said, "Okay," that exactly between her inner critic and her guided compassion. Mark a major healing breakthrough. She shifted from arguing internally to listening compassionately. So she beautifully describes the mental process as a focus group panel, and she was the moderator, and all herself the scared, the angry, the hopeful have a seat. And yes, she may remind them of the meeting rules, but she also ends the gratitude. And by I love you, thank you for helping me see what you see. So that was a pure emotional alchemy right there. Now, the key takeaway, like the thing that I only get from the TED Talk video and that I truly learned from this was about that self love isn't a pre- pre- uh, prerequisite for living others. It can develop through empathy. Your internal self is diverse, filled with emotions that all deserve attention. Self dialogue matters. Honest, compassionate dialogues heals more than a suppression. So if you will honest, if you are compassionate, if you have compassionate dialogue, so it will heal you more than a suppression. And the fourth thing is about sharing space with all a part of you. Is the road to genuine self-acceptance, not forcing unity or perfection. So, in short, the Karen Face talk isn't just a mental exercise; it is an emotional regulation. Instead of shaming or silencing the harder parts of ourselves, she shows us how to welcome them, understand them, and then gently guide them toward healing. It's a powerful, transformative step. So this was my takeaway, and this was all the things that I learned from it. And this was my today's TEDxP review. I hope you all like it, and I will see you in our next TEDxP review, if even with a new TEDx review, even with a new movie or motivational video. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and stay passionate for learning and stay curious. So until next time, Allah Hafiz, and in end, as always, Pakistan Zindabad. Take all of you. Allah Hafiz.